What I buy from Costco as a naturopathic doctor. Arrow Farms Micro Rainbow Mix. Microgreens are great because they contain lots of vitamins and minerals, and they're easy to throw on top of sandwiches, salads, and hide in smoothies. Mycopia Specialty Mushrooms. Mushrooms are great because they have lots of vitamin D, B vitamins, potassium, selenium, and they're a great way to hide some fiber. Amy Lou Paleo Andouille Sausage. They also have an apple Gouda version. Typically, sausages have lots of fillers in them, but this brand is really clean and has limited ingredients. Outer Aisle Cauliflower Sandwich Rounds. These are a great option to get some protein in. They have 10 grams of protein, and they also have 2 servings of vegetables in them. Siete Almond Flour Wraps. These are gluten-free, grain-free, soy-free, vegan, so they're pretty much great for everyone. And they also only have 5 ingredients. Columbia Fruit Organic 4-Berry Blend. I like frozen produce because it's more ripe than fresh produce typically, but they also contain strawberries and blueberries, which are on the Dirty Dozen list, meaning we should be shopping these organic when possible. Organic food, gluten-free, sprouted rolled oats. Sprouted oats are actually better on the digestion, absorbed better in the body, and they are actually lower glycemic index versus regular oats. Go Raw Organic Sprouted Pumpkin Seeds. Like the sprouted oats, these are better digested, but they're also full of zinc and magnesium, which support both hormone health in women and men. Chomp's grass-fed and finished beef sticks. These actually have a better omega-3 level and less fillers, and if you're struggling with protein, these have 10 grams of protein per stick. Let me help you achieve superior lifestyle and health without too much effort.